Good morning, class 8. Now, let's start our geography class. So, through our previous classes, we already completed the chapter 7. It was India, location, political division, and physiography. It's a little bit lengthy chapter, and I think you all go through the chapter very well. And I think you all consult this chapter with consult maps whenever you read this chapter. It is very necessary. Several times I've told you. And today I'll be showing you a diagram here so that you, at a glance, you can see the chapter as a whole. Okay, so firstly I'm explaining this diagram, and next I'll give you the question answers. So, India, location, northern hemisphere, and states 28, union territories 9, neighboring countries China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. So I'm telling you again, the neighboring countries are China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Okay? And location, I'm telling you again, location is northern hemisphere, and states, there are 28 states in all, and union territories 9. Okay? And now I'm telling you the physiographic divisions. Himalayas, firstly, number 1 is Himalayas, and subdivision of Himalayas, Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik. Okay? So, Himalayas have 3 subdivisions, Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik. Number 1, Himalayas. Next is the northern plains. It is number 2. Number 2 is the northern plains. It is also subdivided into 3 parts: Indus Plain, Brahmaputra Valley, Ganga Plain. Okay? And the third is Peninsular Plateau, third division. And it is also divided into 2 parts: Malwa Plateau and Deccan Plateau. And next, number 4, coastal plains, eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. Next is third desert. Number 5, there is no subdivision here. And the islands, number 6. It is the islands. Islands, there are 2, Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. So I'm telling you again the physiographic division. Himalayas subdivided into 3 parts: Himadri, Himachal, Shivalik. The northern plains subdivided into 3 parts: Indus Plain, Ganga Plain, Brahmaputra Valley. And the third one is the Peninsular Plateau. It is subdivided into 2 parts: Malwa Plateau and Deccan Plateau. Next is coastal plains. It is subdivided into 2 parts: Eastern Coastal Plain and Western Coastal Plain. The next is third desert. There is no subdivision. And the islands is the next, 6th. And there are 2 type of island: Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay? Coral Island and Volcanic Island. Lakshadweep is Coral Island and Andaman Nicobar is Volcanic Island. So, have a glance again. Have a glance on this chart again, and here is the full chapter. Okay, and today I'll give you the objective type question answers. Okay, you can see. So, next, go to the question answer. Here are the objective type questions and answers on this chapter. Chapter 7, India, location, political division and physiography. Name the following. Number 1, the highest mountain range of the Himalayas, Greater Himalaya or Himadri. Number 2. This region is called as the food bowl of India. Answer, Ganga Plain. Number 3. The foothills of Himalayas are known as this. Answer, Sivalik or Outer Himalaya. Next, number 4. The largest plateau of India. Answer, Deccan Plateau. 5. The mountain range continues along India's borders with Myanmar, Burma. Formerly it was called as Burma. Answer, Purvachal or Eastern Hills. Number 6. This river originating in Tibet, China and known as Sangpo there. Answer, Brahmaputra. Question 7. This famous valley lies between the Greater Himalaya to the north and the Pir Panjal range to the south. Answer, Kashmir Valley. Next, 8. 2 important tributaries of Yamuna. Answer, Chambal and Betwa. 9. India's largest brackish water lake. Answer, Chilika. Next, number 10. The largest salt lake in Thar. Answer, Sambhar Lake. 11. The tidal forest in Ganga Delta. Answer, Sundarbans. Next, the region covered by thick lava sheet. Answer, Deccan Trap region. Number 13. Vast stretches of moving sandy hills. Answer, dunes. Next, number 14. Narrow valleys between the Sivalik and the Lesser Himalayas. Answer, dunes. Remember, there is difference between dunes and dunes. Dunes are vast stretches of moving sandy hills and dunes are narrow valleys between the Sivalik and the Lesser Himalayas. Okay? Next is number 15. This river is called as Dakshin Ganga, the Godavari. Okay, so here you completed the name of the following, and next is choose the correct answer from the choices given below. So here number 1, the Indian states or union territory sharing the border with Pakistan are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Haryana. And option C, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan. Option C is the correct answer. Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. Okay. And next, sorry, number 2, ring-shaped islands with fringing reefs in Lakshadweep are known as option A, atolls, option B, delta, option C, lagoon. The answer is atolls. Okay. Next, question 3. Many hill stations are located in this range. Sivalik, Himachal, Himadri. The answer is Himachal. Number 4. Which is the oldest mountain range? Option A, Himadri. Option B, Aravalli. Option C, Purvachal. And the correct option is Aravalli. Next, which one of the following rivers does not have a delta? Kaveri, Mahanadi, Narmada. The correct option, Narmada. Next, our eastern neighbors are Nepal and Bhutan, Pakistan and Afghanistan, or Bangladesh and Myanmar. Bangladesh and Myanmar is the correct option. Next, 7. Which of the following peaks lies in the Karakoram range? A. Annapurna, B. Nanda Devi, and C. Godwin Austen. Godwin Austen or K2 is the correct option. Next, the highest peak in peninsular India is Anaimudi, Anaimalai, Nilgiri. Answer is Anaimudi. Next, the southern part of the eastern coastal plain is called as Konkan, Malabar, Coromandel. Coromandel is the correct answer. Next, number 10, the only active volcano in India is named Barren Island, Port Blair, Lucky Island. The answer is Barren Island. Okay. Next, 11. River Tapi drains into the Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. Answer is Arabian Sea. Number 12. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated by this Barren Island, 10-degree channel, coral reef. Answer is 10-degree channel. Now is another type of questions. Fill in the blanks. India is the 7th largest country in the world. 7th, there was the blank. 7th is the answer. There was a narrow sea called dash where the Himalayas stand today. It is, answer is Tethys. India extended from dash in the north to dash in the south. First one is Kashmir and the second one is Kanyakumari. India extends from Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Next, number 4. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country. Here was the blank. Tropic of Cancer is the answer. Next, number 5. The Dash Islands located in the Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. Here is Lakshadweep. And Dash is known as the National Capital Territory, Delhi. Next, Dash is the smallest and Dash is the largest state in India. Goa is the smallest and Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Number 8. At the foothills of Himalaya, densely forested and marshy region is called as Terai. Next, the world's second highest peak is Godwin Austen or K2. Next, Dash is the only river in third desert. Luni is the only river in third desert. Number 11, the southern part of West Coast is called Malabar Coast. Next, India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. Dash was here, northern hemisphere. Next, India is divided into 6 physiographic divisions. Next, number 14, the Tapi River flows south of the Satpura range. Number 15, the peninsular plateau has a triangular shape. There is a lot of question in every lines there are a question. Okay, so read the chapter thoroughly. Next, state whether true or false. Yamuna and Bhagirathi are tributaries of the Satluj. False. India is separated from Nepal by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. False. The peninsular plateau covers a major part of South India. True. Next, Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. True. Next, a major part of the Indus Plain lies in Pakistan. True. Next, the Malwa Plateau in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south are separated by the river Narmada. True. North Indian rivers are not all perennial. False. Hill ranges of western edge of Deccan Plateau called as Sahyadri. True. Next is match the following. Here in left part Sahyadri and here Western Ghat. Next third desert here and Luni. Narmada and Tapi west flowing rivers. Ganga Brahmaputra largest delta. Tributary of Indus, it is here Chenab. Sivalik here outer Himalaya. Karakoram number 7, Karakoram K2. Himachal lesser Himalaya. Siachen Glacier. Blue Mountain Nilgiri. Coral reefs atolls. Mahendragiri Eastern Ghats. Okay, so these are the objective type question answer. You all read this question answers, and firstly you must write it in your school copy and read it several times. Okay, and consult with the maps always. So bye for now and take care.